Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, share your experience so far with this strategy, and I have my telegram group below the video description, so you can join to meet some pro and to have access to some free indicator. Thanks. So today I'm going to introduce you to another powerful strategy. That this strategy is 99.9 accurate, and if you study this strategy, you are going to love it and you are going to use it to make a lot of profit. But the only thing you just need to do is to follow my rules and my guide in this video. So I'm going to be making a video on boom 1000. I'm going to make a video on crash 1000, and I'm going to make a video on crash 500 and boom 500. You see, so but this video will only base on crash 1000. So if you love to trade with this indicator, so you can easily follow up this video and watch this video to the end with the settings of everything. I'm going to provide it in this video. So now let me share with you the settings of this indicator, so and how it really works. So to have these settings on your phone, you are going to having your moving average on your main chart. I have two moving average. The first moving average is the period of 10, the shift of -5, and I have my methods to be in linear way. I have applied to close. You have four pizza here. You can choose any color of your choice, but you can choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. So you can move to the second moving average, which is the period of 7, shift of 5. We have method to be linear with also. Then you click on apply to close. Then you choose red as your color. You can choose any of your color of your choice, but you just identify that particular color. So you press on done. Then we move to indicator window 1. We have the average directional movements index. So we have the period of 10. We have the style to be in white color here. Everything is going to be in white color, which is the color of your background. So if you are using black background, then all this color now is going to be in black color. So yes, we have the level here, which is our 50, 95, 35 and 5. We have our black color to indicate that particular line for us. Then you press on done. Then you move to your moving average, the period of 10, shift of 0. We have methods to be linear with. We have apply to close. We have style to be in what? In black color. You see that? So you press on done. Then we have the last indicator here, which is the parabolic sax, which we have our step to be in 0.05. We have the maximum to be 0.052. Then you choose any color of your choice. Then by doing this, now you will have this strategy on your phone. Let me tell you something that is very powerful about this strategy, is that it helps you to identify the real and the correct time for you to enter and to out of this trade. So with this strategy now, you can take 10 candles, then you leave the market. You see, 10 candle, you leave the market. But first thing I will ask you to do is first adjust the movement of your trade. You see that you can control this particular thing. Adjust it to the last zone level. Adjust it to the last side here, to the last side at this particular side, to the last side. So when you have it there, it will help you to identify your supports and resistance level. So, and what are you going to be looking up at this particular trade? We are going to be looking up, we are using 1 minute time frames to trade it, and you can use any zoom level of your choice. It works on any zoom level. It works. You just follow what I need to explain in this video and watch it to the end for you to get the full details that I want to share in this video. So it works on any zoom level. You see, it works on any zoom level. I will tell you the reason for that. So what trade are you going to be targeting on your win or your indicator window? Now you are going to be looking when your moving average on the indicator window, when it reach the 5 level here. You see, when it reach the 5 level here, and when you move it from the beginning to the end, it still remain on that what, on that same 5 level. You see, it still remain on that same 5 level. It's going to be what, when you move it from the beginning here to the what, to the last zone here, you will see from beginning here to the last zone here, that level will still remain what, will still remain under what, under 5. You see, for example, now let's check this. You see, it still remain under that. That exactly this particular trade you are going to be taking every day. So it happen, maybe we always have up to 20 per day, because I have been following this for days now and it has not failed me. All you need to do is to take 10 candle every day, then leave the trade. For you to what, to have it successfully, you just have to what, note that particular side and what, and out of the market. You see, now from this particular zone, you see once it's what, it's accurate on this indicator window, then you check your main chart. When you are going to also confirm the crossing of the moving average in the what, on the chart. So immediately that the moving average cross each other on the main chart, then you count your what, you count your 4 candle away. You count your 4 candle away. Let me show you what I mean by there. So immediately it cross each other on this, and when you check the first window one also, you see that the moving average is what, is below that 5 level. You see, you are going to count your what, you are going to count your 4 candle, which is 1 2 3 4. This will be your what, your entry. This will be your entry. This will be your your 4. You are going to count 4, and this is our 4 here. It's going to be your entry. So you are going to exist it when you have the what, when you have the what, your 10th candle. So let's count it now from this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see, this is your what, your exist candle. This is your exist candle. So this candle now is your what, is your exist candle. You just take 10 candle every day, every time. So let's check for more. You know, we take that on what, on 28, is on 20 what, on 29 now. You see, another 1 year is here. So but the first thing you need to confirm is to confirm the movement of this particular what, of this particular moving average. Maybe it's certain on that level. So when you move it from beginning to the end, that level still remain on the what, on 5 level. You see, it still remain, it never adjust. So once it adjusts, it means it's a fake what, is a fake entry for you. So it is better for you not to what, to leave it. Then you what, you look for what, original entry like this. You see, it remain on that same spot from the beginning of the chart to the end of it. You see, so once you confirm the what, the crossing of the moving average on the main chart, what do? You count away four candle. The candle meets, the crossing meets at this particular spot, and you count away 2 4 1 2 3 4. So by on these 4 appear trade now, the crossing will have what, meet, because in this chart now, this moving average of red always go above this moving average. It's speed more than this moving average. I'm telling you, by the time you are using this strategy, you will understand what I mean. So by counting 1 to 4 candle here before you enter your market, that's when you are going to be having this cross 9. So immediately you count 1 to 4 candle this as this particular zone now. Once you count it 1 to 4 candle, then you exit it when you count 1 to 10 candle at that particular. Let's count it. So we have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, that's it. You exist at this particular point. Then we take another one on what, on 29. So let's check for more. You see, this is accurate on that particular 5 volt. It, you see, it adjusts, is what is really mean is fake. So let's look for more. You see, this is another entry, this is another perfect entry. When you move it from the beginning to the end, it still remain on that particular spot. So this is something you can do every day, and you can be what, taking up your cash. It is your cash. So stop burning out of money, stop wasting money for forex anymore. So you just use this strategy. So see, the first thing you are going to confirm is your window 1. Confirm it, maybe it is certain, maybe it is accurate on that on that level, on that 5 level. You see, then when you wait for the crossing 9 on your on your main chart, then you count away. You see, they want to cross at this particular spot, but the crossing is not working. So you can't, but this particular side now they cross, but before they cross, you can't, once this moving average cross a what, cross your charts, when the trade is begin above this moving average, now what do? You count your what, you count your 4 candle away, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, this will be your entry. This trade now will be your entry, and when you want to exit it, you count away 10 candle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, so you take away what, this candle. You see, we have a baby spike here, and before it rocket up. So this is exactly what I ask you to be taking every day. I deliberately make this video so long so that you will have the full understanding of how this strategy really works. You see now, this particular, you see this also, it's accurate. So what you need to do is to wait for the moving average of what, of this moving average of red to cross away the trade. You see, it crossed away the trade, and you begin to count your your candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you count your candle, this will be your entry now. Before this 4th candle now, you will have the joints here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Then you take away your 10th candle. So from that 4, then you count away your you count away your 10th candle. So let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see that? So this is where you are going to exit the market. So if you keep on doing this every day, you are going to be avoiding loss so many times. You are going to be avoiding loss. You just open your trade in many times, up to like 5 trade at a times. You just open it, then count up to your 10, then out of your market, and make sure you are trading on the lowest loss size, and also set up your stop loss. Your stop loss now will always be in will always be at this particular side, as this side. That will be where your stop loss will be. You see, that will be where your stop loss will be. So I'm going to also make a video on on boom 1000. I'm going to explain details how this strategy really works on boom 1000, how you can take just only 10 candlestick on on boom 1000, and it will avoid loss every time. You see, now that's still on 28. You see, this particular zone, let's check, maybe is accurate. You see, it's you see, it jump up at this level. It's accurate at this level here, but when it gets to here, it's jump up. So it was telling us that that level is not 100% accurate. But when you see 100% accurate, you are going to see it's going to sit on it from the beginning to the what, to the end, like this. Now you see it sits on it from the beginning to the what, to the end. And when you check your analysis, you wait for them to what, you wait for it to cross, and you count up to your what, up to your four candle. You count up to four candle, 1 2 3 4. You see, that will be your entry. By that time you will have having your what, your cross moving average. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see, so that's it. That's exactly it. So you are enter the trade and you have exist your trade. So by doing this on 1 minute time frames, it work on every level, because some people always ask which zoom level. It work on any zoom level. So it's either you zoom it in or out, it works on every zoom level. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. It's going to help a lot. And you can also like and comment on this video. Tell us your experience on how far you have traded with this. And you can also join my Telegram group for free indicator. Indicator help you to analyze your charts. It give you a clear view of your of your trade every time. So try this strategy and remain blessed.